IBM International Business Machines Corporation. Welcome back to our channel where we make millionaires and explore the thrilling world of technology and investments. Today, get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey as we delve into the incredible story of IBM, a trailblazer in the tech industry whose innovations are not only shaping the future, but also driving an explosive rise in their stock price. And guess what? We'll also reveal some potential take-profit targets, places to be aware of in price. Investors should keep a close eye on these areas. So if you're intrigued by the convergence of technology and investment, the intersection where all the profit is, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive right. Picture this. It's 1911 and a company called International Business Machines Corporation, better known as IBM, is born. Since then, IBM has been at the forefront of technology advancements, becoming a driving force behind the evolution of early computers. Their groundbreaking IBM System 360 in the 1960s revolutionized the computing landscape as we knew it, setting the stage for what was to come. Fast forward to the 21st century, and IBM still making waves in the technology space, took a giant leap into the future with Watson, their AI platform that made global headlines by conquering the game show Jeopardy in 2011. Doesn't stand a chance at tadpole games though. Since then, IBM has been on a relentless pursuit to push the boundaries of AI, directly with that goal, applying Watson's immense potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and scientific research. In recent years, IBM soared to new heights in the realm of cloud computing. Their strategic acquisition of Red Hat in 2018 expanded their capabilities, solidifying their position in the highly competitive cloud service market. As a result, cloud computing has become a pivotal revenue driver for IBM, leaving a significant impact on stock price. But wait, the story doesn't end there. Here's where it gets truly exciting. IBM has been vigorously working on quantum computing research through its IBM Quantum Experience platform. And let me tell you, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including finance, logistics, and cryptography. Investors are keeping a close eye on IBM's advancements in this field as it holds the key to shaping the future. It's not just about technology for IBM. They have their eyes set on making a positive impact on the world. IBM has actively taken on social and environmental challenges. Their strong commitment to sustainability has led to significant progress in reducing their carbon footprint, not only resonating with society, but also enhancing investor confidence in the company's long-term prospects. Now let's talk about what really matters to you, the investor, the stock price. IBM has been a consistent player in investment portfolios driven by rich history and strong financial performance. But of course, there have been fluctuations in the stock price influenced by market trends and competitive pressures and shifts in technology and demand. Let's take a look at the charts now. Now, let's take a closer look at those charts, the visualization of price and the distribution of probability. If we take a first glance here from the monthly time frame, we can see the robust uptrend with higher highs and higher lows, and we're on the way to the all-time high at around 149. From December 2022. However, must consider potential pullback levels here, like the 50 simple moving average at 117 and the 200 at around $100. They could be key areas to look to in the case of a deep overall market correction. As for the immediate levels, we could go via the weekly, where you can see the 50 simple and 200 Confluence with that $117 target, down to the daily, where you're in this sequence of higher highs and higher lows, partly going sideways here, so we'll have to be paying attention at 149. So down via the daily onto the 4-hour time frame, where there is a warning sign below and all of our Fibonacci's we've been using with prior oscillations, we can see that this suggests potential resistance, which maybe now is turned support at 139 and 135 with the prior high in this formation. 236 on the Fibonacci you're putting in at the minute is at 137. So those three areas important to look to. If breaking 135, that would be crucial to price action. Now let's talk about take profit targets. If you entered anywhere above those stop losses, it would be difficult to manage your trade in that way. So instead, you're looking to take profits at sensible levels. We can see the Fibonacci extension based on the oscillation high previously in this trend gives us those targets, and we've got them marked out here if we are to continue to the top side. Take a quick moment to say thank you so much to everybody who expressed an interest in helping me and supporting the channel while I'm in convalescence. I couldn't have done it without you. I can't do it without you. Thank you so much. If you want to join the group, you can join my Patreon, www.patreon.com/tradespotting, or of course the links that get you these fact requests and these videos. Thanks for everybody who does that. Links below. First target is 154 if you exceed 149. That's the prior high and to look to. And your long-term strong trade that you're confident in from now and not interested in taking profit until such time as you break 149, which is, you know, not necessarily the most sensible position to take from here. Then you'd be looking at 154. If you break that, you'll be looking at 161 and then 171. Those would be the targets if you get really strong moves to the top side off the 4-hour time frame here. But that would be only after we exceed this guy at 149. And in advance of that, we have a couple of other areas to look to. We can see going left here, we're at a potential level of resistance already and a prior 236. If we make it back above that, we can see that the 886 retracement comes in around 146. And if you're to go on towards that prior high at 149, you'd have to be cautious of all the confluence we had with previous Fibonacci targets and that now forming a resistance level, along with the potential bearish divergence we saw at this level on the RSI with a higher high in price and lower low on the momentum, also leading to concern and a little bit of congestion in price action should we reach that area. So I'd bear that in mind. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that there is more to be deciphered from the potential resistance levels here. We'll go down to slightly lower levels via the 1 hour, where you're in the bullish control zone and you don't have bearish divergence, but you do have a gap around 14150. If you're to push back up again, then within this oscillation, you're looking at taking profit targets at exactly where we are at the minute, 14350. And then 14450, and then we'll go down to the 15-minute time frame where we've got a very strong picture on price action with the trend and the moving averages, positive display there. We might look at sensible areas in the short term to be 14709, a rocky outcrop flash. Get that indicator by joining his Patreon, which also gets you access to his Discord, and then yes, 147, and then it would be extensions from the prior high on this tiny oscillation on the 15-minute time frame. If any of those come in at around approximate levels, yeah, 14450 and 14669, 147, asking much more than that from price until such times as you see the strong move continuing would be very difficult because there's a gap below. And there is the question about recent bearish divergence on this time frame. Of course, you've got bullish divergence on the most recent low, but congestion at those levels anticipated. So those would be the take profit targets. And essentially, we've got then potential entries if you're not yet in the trade, which would be good areas for a stop if you've got a long-term trade from way deep down. And we've got immediate areas below to be conscious of, which could see a good place for a turnaround. We've also got targets to the top side. So if you're in a trade or not, hopefully that'll be helpful information. So, what does the future hold for IBM? Analysts are eagerly monitoring the performance and growth potential, particularly in quantum computing and their continued advancements in AI and cloud services. These factors could significantly influence IBM stock price in the days and weeks to come. And there you have it, the awe-inspiring tale of IBM, a company that shapes the tech industry, has done for over a century, and continues to do so with innovations that propel them into the future and potentially explosive stock price rises. If you found the journey as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up video, like on this video, and share it with the fellow tech enthusiasts and investors who would like to see more of Tradespotting. Remember, the world of investing can be thrilling, but it's essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more regularly, get involved in all the different ways that you can with the channel. And if you'd like to be 24/7, 7 days a week around people the same as yourself, check out Rockoutcrop Discord at www.discord.gg/rockoutcrop. See you there.